Hi, I'm Catie Frates. I am a disciple of Jesus Christ. I am Steve's wife since 1983, Steve Frates. I have 3 beautiful daughters and a precious grandson. And I'm a homeschool mom of over 20 years. And I survived. See, there's hope. And actually, I'm a scientist by degree. My degree is in micro and cell biology. I went to Auburn University and the University of Florida. God was kind enough to call me into creation science. I've been teaching the scientific evidence that supports the Bible just the way it's written for the last 20 plus years. The Lord has called me to teach science classes to homeschool children because I really love science. To me, science is the observation of God's creation. And so I want to actually share my excitement with your children about science. I also didn't learn everything really easily when I learned it, and so I had to learn ways of understanding it, and I try to do that with your student. And that particularly comes in handy when you get into the high school sciences where things get harder, particularly chemistry and in some of the stuff in biology. Where most students get bogged down in biology, which is when they get to cell biology and biochemistry, that's my degree work. That's where I'm Snoopy dancing going, yeah! I want them to have fun, and I want them to have a passion about learning about God's creation, and I want them to see that even if they don't like science, they can love it because they love the Lord, and science should bring God glory because it's His handiwork that we're studying. Every little aspect about what I teach is permeated with the fact that God's Word is true, every word in it, and I will come back to that a lot. And I will, where God leads me on rabbit trails about prayer or spiritual warfare or other things, I will go there. So please be aware that if you trust your children to me with your science classes, that they're also going to be getting the biblical and creation worldview. There is nothing more important to me than Jesus Christ and sharing Jesus with other people and sharing His love. And God has been kind enough to allow me to do that also through our science classes. Some people, it has helped them to actually learn to love science. And it's not me, it's God. But God can use broken pots, and I'm definitely a cracked pot that God has been kind enough to allow His light to shine through.